You're listening to the Winsight Podcast Network.
A new Retail Leader of the Year has been named by CSP. Rite Aid's struggles continue, and RaceTrac debuted its first EV charging station. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top news from Winsight Grocery Business and CSP Daily News. I'm Heather Lally, Editor-in-Chief at WGB.
And I'm CSP Editor-in-Chief Steve Holtz, coming to you from the next show. CSP on Wednesday honored Natalie Morehouse as its 2023 Retail Leader of the Year with a reception and dinner at Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta. Morehouse is president of RaceTrac Incorporated and a third-generation leader in the family-owned business, started in 1934. She began her career with RaceTrac in 2012. In her 10 years with the company, she has served as Director of Strategy and Development and Vice President of Energy Dispatch before assuming her role as president of the company in February of 2019. In her touching acceptance speech, Morehouse thanked the entire RaceTrac team, her family, her husband, and her 5- and 7-year-old children for inspiring her to put her all into the leadership role.
The New York Stock Exchange has warned Rite Aid that it faces a potential delisting for failing to meet minimum market capitalization and share price requirements. Rite Aid reported a $49.97 million average market cap and an average share closing price of 88 cents for the 30 trading days through September 27th. The NYSE notice comes amid buzz that Rite Aid is preparing a Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing that could lead to the closings of hundreds of stores and the liquidation of other assets. Rite Aid's financial distress stems from a deluge of opioid-related litigation, a heavy debt load, and a lackluster business performance.
In more RaceTrac news, the convenience retailer unveiled its first electric vehicle charging station in the country, located in its convenience store in Oxford, Alabama. The retailer plans additional charger installations at stations in Dallas before the end of 2024, and it said it will announce those locations in coming months. RaceTrac is partnering with EV charging provider EnviroSpark for the installations.
Soaring use of Ozempic and similar weight loss drugs is having a slightly slimming effect on food purchases at Walmart, the country's largest grocery retailer. That's according to a Bloomberg interview with the company's U.S. CEO. John Furner said Walmart is seeing a, quote, slight pullback in overall basket size with fewer units and fewer calories.
Ahold Delhaize USA's digital backbone, Peapod Digital Labs, PDL, has launched its new native mobile app to its U.S. banners Stop and Shop and Food Lion as it looks to bolster its unified shopping experience. Launched on PDL's proprietary Prism platform earlier this quarter at Giant Food locations, the new app increases speed and overall performance, according to an announcement from PDL on Tuesday.
Costco Wholesale followed up a positive fiscal 2023 fourth quarter with strong sales gains for September, including a rebound in e-commerce. Net sales climbed 6% year over year, while comparable club sales were up 4.5% company-wide, including a 3.2% uptick in the U.S. Online sales grew 3.7% for the month, following a 2.5% decrease in August and a 4.1% increase in July, which had capped off 8 straight months of e-commerce sales declines.
It's been a turbulent couple of weeks for San Francisco-based tech company Instacart, which went public on September 20th, opening at $42 per share and dropping to as low as about $26 on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the company has announced a series of new technology innovations and partnerships over the last month to help keep up momentum and attract new investors.
Colorado-based Natural Grocers will open its newest store in Twin Falls, Idaho on October 18th. The organic and natural grocery retailer's latest opening will be the 6th in Idaho. The family-owned retailer on Wednesday also announced its latest film in its Meet Your Farmer series. The film, called Tree to Table, is centered around the grocer's maple syrup brand. The company will be promoting the film online and in stores with printed and digital educational collateral through October.
And Sprouts Farmers Market is opening a new store in Austin, Texas on October 13th. The fast-growing specialty grocer currently operates about 50 stores in Texas and just over 400 locations around the country. The Phoenix-based food retailer has said it's focused on 10% unit growth starting next year.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News or WinsightGroceryBusiness.com. I'm Heather Lally.
And reporting from Atlanta, this is Steve Holtz. Have a great day.